This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you the bottom feeder and shrimp cartridge filter assembly kit. And this kit is designed to hold a 50 square foot cartridge filter onto the bottom feeder. And it also works with the shrimp cleaner. And so essentially you can put your manual vacuum hose in the garage, or you can throw it away, since you won't need to use it again once you have the bottom feeder or shrimp cartridge filter. And all the dirt when you vacuum the pool goes inside the cartridge here. It doesn't go into the pool's filtration system, so it acts just like a manual vacuum, picking up the dirt from the bottom of the pool. And you can purchase the bottom feeder or the shrimp kit directly from the bottom feeder on their website. And this will make your cleaner very versatile. You're going to be able to, of course, get the leaf debris with the bags. And then you're going to get the fine dirt down to 20 microns with the cartridge filter. And the kit uses a Unicell cartridge filter, which is made here in the USA. And the cartridge filter kit is also designed and made in the USA. And the kit is designed to easily thread in and off of the bottom feeder and shrimp cleaner. And so you can easily go from a cartridge filter to a bag in a matter of 10 seconds. And there's no need to take the threaded halo off each time you use the cartridge filter assembly. You can simply put the bag right over it. And the bag stays securely on. And so the bottom feeder battery operated professional vacuum system or the shrimp vacuum system are the only tools you're going to need on your pool route to clean pools. You have this bag on top that will capture large leaf debris as well as sand and silt. And then you have the cartridge filter, which you can use to get all the dirt out of the pool down to 10 to 20 microns. And since the assembly is designed to fit on the cartridge filter on top, much like a cartridge pool filter, there's no worry about any dirt getting out when you move it from the pool to the spa. It's completely sealed, and so you can easily go back and forth from the pool to the spa. And you can also safely put it in other pools on your pool route without worrying about dirt leaking out. And you can see it does an awesome job of picking up dirt in the pool. You can also very easily take the top off here if you want to do a thorough cleaning of the cartridge. And it's very quick and easy to reassemble the cartridge filter assembly. And installation is really easy. It comes with the Allen wrench you're going to need to remove these Allen screws here from the existing halo. And also included are 2 extra nuts. All you would need is a 9mm socket wrench. And the halo simply pulls up and off. And you can see that the threaded halo is marked back here. And this is for easy installation. This goes to the back of the bottom feeder. So now all you have to do is align the holes and put the Allen screws back on. So that's the assembly of the threaded ring, and it should take less than 5 minutes. Another great thing about the cartridge filter assembly kit is that even though the halo rings are different for the shrimp and bottom feeder, the cartridge filter assembly will fit on both cleaners. And if you're in the market for a vacuum system, I highly recommend the bottom feeder and the shrimp cleaner. Now with the cartridge filter assembly kit, you can not only vacuum out leaf debris, but you can also now vacuum out dirt down to 20 microns with the cartridge filter. And it's really quick and simple to go from the cartridge filter to the bag, making this the most versatile vacuum system on the market today. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, the Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.